The damage left behind by the earthquake was more than anything I have seen before. There was rubble everywhere and extensive damage to the houses in the heritage village. It was 2005 and the north of Chile was hit by a devastating earthquake. The small historic village of Tarapacá was unrecognizable, and I thought to myself, what can I do to conserve the heritage of towns and villages like Tarapacá after a disaster like this? Now, my research focuses on sustainably reconstructing heritage villages after earthquakes. I've always been interested in how architecture, especially sustainable types of architecture, can improve people's quality of life. When buildings are severely damaged, the most common approach is to build anew. But rebuilding towns and villages after every earthquake is unsustainable and strips communities of their local heritage. It is also very damaging to the planet. It's far more sustainable to reuse as much of existing materials as possible. It also gives communities a chance to hold onto their heritage and history. Learning to reduce waste and reuse resources is especially relevant in the current climatic emergency. By using the latest 3D documenting technology and aerial drones in innovative ways, my research is helping to repair, reuse, and prevent the loss of culturally significant buildings, and change how countries respond to the damage left behind by disasters. My name is Bernadette Devilat, and this is my research, Vealed.